Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Quarantine and Slay with Trey. It's been a little minute since we last kicked it, so let's get right into it. Today we're going to be working with Goldfinger Gel Press-On Nails, 70% rubbing alcohol, some cotton balls, and though these packages normally come with their own glue, I prefer to use the Kiss brand Maximum Speed drying glue. It just works so much better. We're also going to be using a nail file, a nail clip, and a cuticle pusher. These packages always come with different size nail tips, and we're going to get into that in a second. But first, some warm water and soap. You want to make sure that you're working with a clean surface. I have already filed, clipped, and pushed my cuticles back. This is the portion of your manicure when your nail technician says, get up, go wash your hands. Do that. Afterwards, you're going to want to get your 70% rubbing alcohol and remove any excess oils that may be on your nail bed. This step is crucial in making sure that your set lasts as long as possible. Please do not skip this step. Afterwards, your nails are clean, your nails are dry. You're going to want to get into your package and start searching for the nail tip that best fits your nails, okay? Everybody's nails are sized differently. Everybody's nails are shaped differently. If necessary, you may need to file the nail tip to fit your fingernails better. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It all depends on the company. Find the perfect fit. Once you find the perfect fit, you're going to want to line each nail up behind you. This will make the process just a little bit faster. Y'all know I like quick and easy. So once you figure out all the nails tips that fit your fingernails, you are almost ready to start gluing, okay? So ready, steady, get, steady, go, go, go. We're going to drop just a small portion of that glue on the back of the nail tip, okay? You're just going to put a little drop, and then you're going to want to place, press, and hold on your fingernail for about 5 seconds. I actually think that Kim Kardashian mentioned that she uses this brand of glue, but I'm not really sure. Don't quote me. I want no smoke. Anyway, once you're finished gluing down all of your nail tips, honey, the last step is to just add some cuticle oil and you are good to go, okay? You may not be able to get to the salon, but I promise you that I will keep you salon ready, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.